Audio should be working. Supply the... Okay, I do not need the compressor. Let's apply like a small noise gate. All right, we're live. Hello, everybody. It says sign in the chat. I am signed in. Yeah, dang, hooker. All right, manage. Here we go. Open up my chat on the side so that way I can actually type in the chat. Testing audio. It should be good, but testing anyways. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's some smexy audio. All right. So, the screen space reflections. Right now I'm working on a configuration doohickey that will let me do some doohickeys. That makes no sense. All right, let's see. So yeah, here's a little small math formula that creates the water-like effect. It's actually all done by the fragment shader. Anthony, what up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream, bud. Hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you enjoy the new audio quality. Let's play some music. Wait a minute. I got a Paratune link right here. Okay, how do we do this again? Oh, yeah. Interact. Oh my gosh, was that loud? Yeah, that should be good though. Let me know if the mic or anything is too if it's like quieter. It shouldn't be. Can you should still be able to hear the music. No. All right. Now yeah, you can see it a lot better quality here. Yeah. So, screen space reflections. Also, we're going to do something to make it even more high quality. That's my friend's script thing there. This is just like a temporary thing that I'm going to be doing, but so I'm just going to do temp pixie.settings dot round pixels equals true. Pixie.settings dot what the hooker was it called? Scale mode equals pixie.scale modes dot nearest. So that already will make it look a little bit better, but we're gonna do yet another thing. Also, let me do something kind of cool. Window capture. That way it's kind of like always there. Yeah, that already looks way better. Now you're seeing it doubled. Maybe I won't do that. Yeah. Oh my, yes, that already looks a lot better. Oh, that's so sexy, dude. All right. Let me try the angle of like. Oh, it looks so good. Oh. All right. What was the other thing I was gonna? Oh yeah, right. style. This is just like a cheap little way that you can use to, a cheap little thing that you can use to question why Windows did that. Kappa. Yo, I love this theme. This music's nice. Oh right, I did it in this one. I can use the script from here. I think. Did I? Yes, I did. Okay. Okay, so basically this is going to make it so that it renders sharply. Oh yeah, way better. And yeah, I need to figure out why my NVIDIA settings are doing things they shouldn't be doing. That looks freaking good. Minimize that. I don't need that on. I like it. Okay, so one of the Black Mercury, this is Screen Space Reflections, but made with MZ. So let me show you what Screen Space Reflection is. We'll use KH3 as an example. So if you take a look at Kingdom Hearts 3, if you look at the ground here, let me find one with water. Yeah, here's a good example. You see, Screen Space Reflections, basically, it takes what's rendered on the screen and allows you to reflect it. Normally it's done in 3D games, but it can also be done in 2D with a little bit of trickery. And it creates for extremely nice looking reflections. And we're going to use the same method for lighting as well. It's similar to ray tracing, if you will. Kinda. Well, it's not similar to ray tracing. So, let me correct that. Ray tracing is often used to make screen space reflections better by not relying on what's currently rendered, but rather doing its own thing, bouncing rays and stuff around to get the information. But yeah, I'm gonna change the default viewing angle, something like 36. Actually, no, we'll do negative 10 for the testing because we need to be able to like move it to places. Okay. Alright, be safe. Love Doter. With high definition sprites, it'll work. Is it not gonna save the viewing angle? Okay. Oh yeah, the viewing angle thing, by the way, is done using a scaling trick of all things. Is it correct? Why is it? No, why is it still negative 45? Huh? Okay, something really weird is happening. Negative 45 doesn't exist, so why is it continuing to be negative 45? Huh? Huh? Why is it what? Okay, hold on. RF viewing angle is negative 10, right? Map 4 angle is negative 45. Huh? Oh, right. Cause I was using a bootleg save and load method. I need to reset that. Cause I'm gonna be doing Entirely different thing. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is making it so it shows the top and bottom of the character. And the first thing that we need to do to make this happen is only reflect the tile map first. So now, if you see, it's not going to reflect the players anymore. It's just going to reflect the tiles. So what we need to do is create more than one map, which is okay because texture. Hold on now. We can actually do things a little bit more interesting of a way. Map. Right. So this is going to be a new Pixie container. Dot tile reflect equals new sprite. This dot ssr map dot add child dot tile reflect. Okay, and that will effectively allow us to group things. So we just need to make sure this is correctly renamed tile reflect. Should we do it this way? Yeah. No, it'd be alright this way. On the map, scale.x, scale.y. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Tile reflect texture will be that, and property X of undefined. All right. So. Oh yeah, right. Because no container. This is just going to be an empty Pixie sprite. So let's see. Pixie.texture.empty. Yo, Driftwood, how you doing, man? Good to see you doing stuff. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, I can zoom in. I'll zoom in some. So Drifty, check out the swaggery that we are doing. Hold on, let me undo everything real quick so I can show Drifty this dope swaggery. Let me get rid of the extra side view real quick. Let's do that. Get rid of that. Okay. So, Drifty, check this out. You're gonna love this. Screen space reflection. Oh yeah, hold up. It's not doing the characters. Hold on. I didn't undo far enough. But you know what? That's fine. I will. Here we go. All right, and it's all angle based using a scaling trick. So, check it out. Now, what we're doing at the moment is changing it so that when you're looking this way, it shows the character like the way they're supposed to. And when it's like reflecting to the top, it'll show the face of the character rather than the back of the head. Anyway, so if we change the angle like to 10, you can see it stretches more. We can do like -5. So it stretches like tall-wise, -10, so that it's the opposite direction. It's pretty cool. And now, let's get back to... That's pretty sick. Thank you. It's pretty cool. It's actual screen space reflection. SSR. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little cheat sheet thingy. Yay! So we're gonna do it things that way. And this will be we can still do it that way, like that. The X. And yeah, that's the mask X and Y. We don't really need to modify that too much. All right, so this should be the exact same thing. If I didn't derp out. Okay, map 2. Oh, right. For the little temp test map, I was using just a static image instead of something like, you know, that dynamic. Okay. Oh, right. I also gotta this and then there we go. I need to separate these things out as well. There we go. All right, so yeah, now it's basically the same-ish. Oh, right. This needs to be, that. And since we're using okay, well, let's do it this way. New sprite, right? And then we'll do new bitmap. We'll do graphics.width, graphics.height, and then that should allow us to recenter the thing. Instead of using just a standard pixie sprite, we'll use a RPG Maker styled sprite. It's still not allowing us to align it properly. Well, we can always do like a no anchor set, but will that work right with if we don't anchor it? Oh yeah, right. Yeah, I guess, yeah, now that people know what SSR is. Yeah, okay, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to center the sprite. Let me update the title first. There we go. Thank you, Drifty. Alright, okay, yeah, we can do it like this. SSR map. And I'll go back to the method that I was using here to make it even better. I would just we just have to anchor each layer manually, which is fine. I'm okay with that. What I'm not okay with though is why the thick. Huh. Oddly, you know what? Yeah, no. No, it's scrunched for some reason. Oh, right. I was hoping to be able to like scale the whole thing, but I would need to still end up like resizing a texture anyway, so it don't matter. We'll just do all this manually. So we're gonna throw this into a function. Function mathfix. I'm just gonna call it mathfix. Item. Okay. I'll rename the mathfix thing once I can come up with an actually better name. Is there any reason to use MZ? No, not really. The editor maybe, like, so that way you can use like layers, and I guess more plugins will naturally support Pixie. So this is using Pixie version 5.2.4, which is a more modern version of Pixie.js, but realistically, no, not really. You know, you can just do what you need to do. If you already have MV, unless you need MZ for like specific plugins, then no, not really. It's not worth thing. Oh yeah, so Drifty, another cool thing. Probably like seeing your work. Did anything ever come from the tactical battle system? Oh no, but I am gonna continue that again. I'm gonna redo it because I've learned a lot about coding since then. But yeah, take a look at how the light actually bounces, Drifty, like on top of other objects and stuff. It's super cool. So like, if we go back to the angle of, it's like say 45, you'll see that it's no longer bouncing right here, but we have some of the floor reflecting up on the counter there, some of the floor light, and up on the edge of this thing. Super cool. And got some barely reflection over here. Anyway, yeah, I could talk about this all day. This is cool. Mr. Fly, good work. Thank you. Appreciate you. Rashad, how long has it been? How you doing? Good to see you. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I also need to start commenting some stuff. So, by the way, if you just want to make it reflective, if you just want it to be like reflective, so let's say you're just using a reflective floor rather than oh yeah, it's gonna be so dang fire when it's done. But yeah, if you don't want it to wave, you can literally just have like a reflective floor instead of water. See if I can maybe like increase the intensity of the reflections as well in a minute. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's go back to the water thing, because I use the water because it's easier for me to see. Let's try 0.35 for the mix. Yeah, you know what? I think a 0.35 mix is a little bit better because like it makes for a brighter reflection. Oh, right. No. No, we're going back to 0.5 because the way the reflection works is it uses a little reflection map. As it uses that kind of as a depth map. Sort of. Let me show you what I mean. We're opening up GIMP because the GIMP is pimp. And my ear is not because it hurts. Why you hurt? Stub it. Alright, open recent. Map 2. So yeah, this is how the little reflection map works. So let me make this a lot easier to work with. Come on. Why you know? There we go. All right. I'm just gonna make a small small chunk. What was that? Hold up. Oh, that was okay. I heard something crack. Thought it was my. All right. So I'm just gonna make that white. Just make the one little spot reflective for now. The brighter the white, the better the reflection. So let me. Also, this needed to be a black background. GIMP is underrated. A+. Yes, it is. Rotate the. Yeah. No, that's what we're gonna be working on. So what I'm gonna be doing, Drifty, is creating a separate renderer. And we're gonna be cloning the on-screen actors. So basically, we're only gonna be reflecting one thing at a time. So it's gonna reflect the tiles, and then it's gonna reflect the cloned actors. And these cloned actors are actually gonna be rendered off-screen, where it's then going to draw from. And the clone actors will have a reverse direction of the main ones. It's gonna be pretty dope. So yeah, I'm gonna underneath this. I'll just like make a little gradient. So you can see how it fades and stuff. So we'll do that. So this is full on reflection, and over here it starts to fade out the more down you get. The level of white that you use determines the strength of the reflectiveness. Again, kind of used as like a depth map, sort of. So if you wanted to fade this out, you could. And it does have a bouncing effect. So even though there's nothing right here, because the light is strong here, it's gonna bounce up. It's gonna bounce in the angle that you want it. That was an unintentional thing, but I decided to keep it because I like it. All right, now let's make this render only. The lower thing, so I'm just gonna call it T for tiles. So tile lower layer. I'm gonna move this so it's a little bit more organized. Container.mask. It should still work if I change the mask to the main container element. That way we don't have to have multiple masks. Keyword should. And so far, yes, it is. Okay. So yeah, the only issue is, because of the way screen space reflection works, you can see it'll have the exact same effect that 3D games have. And that is, if something is not being rendered, it shall not be reflected. This can be patched, sorta, by like giving an offset, if you will, to the generate texture. Matter of fact, we don't need this right here. All right, so I want to see something. How much is rendered of the tile map at once? Does it render off screen a little bit? Let's find out. Yes, it does. Oh, so good. So we'll create an offset. Or padding. We'll create SSR padding equals, we'll do 60. Oh, that's so good to know. So now we can render oh, but then it creates like a snap thing because the tile itself starts to hide. Which that's fine. I mean, I guess if we're honest, I'd rather have that than I would some other thing. Also, what is that? Wait. Oh. No? Oh, right. Yeah, no, we can't do that. Because of the way that it scales. Anyway, on to more important matters. We are going to now reflect the top layer, so I need to make a better test map. Layer B. Okay, so right now it's only going to reflect the lower layer. So if I were to this, you can what? Oh, right. Yeah, because that's not above the player. I need to have something that's above the player. We'll use the top tile thing here. All right, there we go. So yeah, you'll see that it's not reflecting the characters or anything. It's literally just doing the tile map, which is good. That's what we want. Now time to draw our off-screen characters. What we're gonna do, sprite set map. Here we go. Create characters. Unfortunately, this cannot be aliased in an easy way. Oh, right. So, well, maybe it can. Maybe it can. Well, for now, we'll just do it this way. Wait. What is event? Oh, right. Yeah, const event of game map.events. Not assignable to character. Yes, it is. That's an incorrect. And that's also slightly incorrect. Ignore that error because it is not true. All right, so what we need to do is copy. So we're going to create a thing called character I, which is going to stand for character inverted. So class sprite character I, extends sprite character constructor super arguments. Wait, you can't do that? Oh well. We'll just use E. And now character equals character. This is based on a sprite prototype. Update bitmap. Here we go. And we're just going to I think all we really need to do is modify this one. Well, we'll try it though. We'll try it. Underline. No. All right, let's I need to log some stuff. Yeah, so there should be thing. It's 3. Which is up. And 1 would be down. So let's do 4 minus. Let's see if that does anything. There should be like basically 2 things. Okay, so there he is. He's over here. His reflection would have to be 3. Oh yeah, 3 minus. Yeah, right. Okay, so his reflection is over there. I guess we can just do dot push again. No, because then oh, this is a little bit spicy. So it basically, Rashad, it uses a depth map. So you would make your own little map here, and you're like your own little depth map thing. How is that somewhat transparent? Can someone cue the X-Files theme? This is at 100. Huh? It's not indexed. It was painted slightly transparent for some reason. Huh. But yeah, so it uses like whatever map you want. So if you wanted it to only like reflect, let's say on this thing, then you would select these colors, and you would like fill in the map that way. So like if we want this slightly reflected, then we'll do we'll do like this. If you wanted we're gonna make the top thing very slightly reflective by decreasing its white channel. I guess white channel. What? That's not a thing. By decreasing its brightness, basically. So as you can see, this still reflects the tiles up here, but it reflects it less than the floor does. And we can even make it even more less. One more thing, as famous Jackie Chun once said. So yeah, sweetness. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, we're trying to get why. Okay, so that character that's working. His opposite reflection is working. But does it work if we face to the right? Which should also reflect the left side of his head. I also need to reverse the thing entirely. Yes, okay, good. So I need to flip the thing. If it works for those two, it's gonna work for, well, maybe not. Hold on. It's possible that left and down will not do anything at all. Hey, Pietro, how you doing? We're doing screen space reflection stuff, which is like reflecting what's rendered on the screen. Okay, so it does work. Excellent. Down should work as well, but I want to be 100% sure before we... Yo. But yeah, how you doing? It's good to see you, Pietro. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. And everyone who I haven't welcomed, I welcome you as well, and I hope you enjoy your stays. Now, updating the sprites, scaling. I wonder if we can... If it works this way, then what I'll do... Oops. I think it does, but it's not adding them where we want it. Oh, no, it is. It is. Okay, good. Excellent. That means we can do this. Oops. That should work, in theory. And we need the update position. They're gonna... Ah, here we go. All right. Also, I don't know why the Paratune music stopped, but... So the Z for this is going to be a 1 regardless, because it needs to be below the character. This dot scale on X equals -1. So we also need to bump the screen X over. But yeah, you'll see. You'll see how it works. All right, there we go. So his opposite direction is there. So let me just like bump that up a little bit so you can see it. Pretty good. How about you? Okay, so it's not showing up properly, but that's okay. I'll fix that. I think it's because the Z is 1. This needs to be, or no, it's the scale, isn't it? Okay. Well, that's a big ol' oof. That's a huge oof. What's going on? Oh, right. Okay. Where do you go? What? What? Huh? Oh, right. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought, because it does add the, oh, oof. Oh, wait a minute. You know, we can do it this way. So I'm talking about agile. Should be able to do it that way. And yes, that's it. It worked. You can see the other him is behind him now. So this will be going back to 1, and this dot scale dot x equals negative hooker. What? Okay, negative 1. I'm just gonna like bump it over to the right a little bit so we can see. Oh, right. No, that's not gonna happen. I need to scale it based on... I forget how this works. Okay, it's not working all of a sudden. Okay. So screen X. Game character base. Screen X. Return math up floor. This has scroll ID. Is it working? It should be. No, it's not. Why? Huh. Well, I guess we really can't alias the thing. I'll probably figure out a way to do it, but until then, I guess we have to do it this way. This kind of blows. Oh well. So yeah, basically after I do this, everything should have its own inverted doohickey thing. It's a very, very descriptive method. What? Yep, okay, there we go. So yeah, everything has its own reflection now. I'm just gonna like bump them to make sure this dot scale dot x equals -1. That should work. By all accounts, that should exist. Yay! Alright, there we go. So now we have our reflection. So it's an inverted direction? Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. It's just the wrong one is above. Okay, there we go. We're good. Screen Z -1. Since it uses the tile map thing, we can probably just get away with setting it to 2. Since it... Oh yeah, because it is a part of the tile map. So let's try that. Yep, there we go. Now, the main character is above them. So what we want to do is set for the Y position, but then do graphics.width for the X position so that they're off screen. And we need to make the second container now. Wait a minute, why did I put that here? Of all places. It was a weird choice. Weird place to put them. Wait, what's the second issue? Huh? What are you talking about? Wait, what? Huh? The heck? Oh, right. Huh? That's an IIFE, dude. That's... I guess we don't need one, but... What is it talking about? Why is that a thing? What's happening? What? Does it still work? What? Okay, push. 2, 3. Oh, what? How did that happen? Wait, how did that happen? Uh-huh. Reason much more streamers. Oh yeah, you know it. Welcome, Ivan. Yeah, I missed doing Zypher Force. That jump was dope. Alright. So yeah, now the characters are going to be rendering exactly off screen. And we're going to draw from them like so. That. Character layer equals pixie sprite. And this will be Hmm. What we can do is draw them. Why does it have to be just straight up tile map like that? Alright, well, let's try it this way then. It should work. It should be like right underneath them. Yes! It works! Amen. However, it is slightly incorrect as far as the positioning goes. So, best way to fix that would be... I have no earthly idea. This shouldn't be... Wait a minute. Is it because... Oh, yeah, no, right. No? Yeah? What? What's our math fix function? See, this is why you don't code when your ADHD med is not in effect. My brain is just done, son. So yeah, we didn't need to anchor these ones. Why is it still incorrect? Not only is it incorrect there, but it's also incorrect entirely. Huh. Oh, right. No? Yeah? I forgot to compensate for the angle of reflection. Hey, dude, how you been? I'm doing pretty good. Links. There we go. That's what we wanted. So now we just need to say... Hold on. So we need to say now, wait, yeah, no, we don't need that. Okay, so angle of undefined. Okay, darn. I'll clean this code up tomorrow, but Okay. So the offset needs to change as well. But, yeah, so like this, it'll be reflecting that, and then it should be... I can't have it, like, reflect underneath opposite exact, because that would be very difficult. And I don't know of any math that can make that happen. But yeah, there we go. So now it's reflecting the front of the character. Oh, I have so many console logs going on. I forgot about those. Well, that's not it. So yeah, I'm gonna repaint the floor so we can have the way it was. All right, there we go. So now let me change the thing, and I'll work on this more another day. So yeah, there we go. You can see it reflecting the character's face right here. Let's change it to like a 10. There. Awesome. So now it's reflecting the back of his head, and now it's reflecting his face. Perfect. Amen. Okay. Yep, and it reflects her right side. Perfectly right. Yes. Awesome. So now you can see the other side of the characters. Yeah, should we leave it there? Probably should, because my ADHD meds wore off and like my brain's all over the place right now. And I don't want to make spaghetti code. So yeah, we're going to end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. It's good to be back. And yeah, look forward to more.